how to set who can see your friend list on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. So you can tap this, and here in your friend section, you can see here who can see your friend list. And the who can see your friend list is set into only me. So you can change this or set this by tap the who can see your friend list. And now you can see the option. Okay, who can see your friend list. Your number of friend is public. If you set this to only me, others may still see your friend with someone when viewing their friend list. Mutual friends are always visible. And okay guys, I decide to set into public. And after you set the who can see your friend list, okay, tap this save button below, okay, to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set who can see your friend list on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.